Hello and Namaste. Welcome to Katosh Tubes. I am your host Paras, and in today's video I am going to take you through the process of Flipkart bulk listing. Before I start the video, if you are new here, please do remember to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for weekly notification. And if you haven't watched my video on Marketplace Masterclass, you can always click on the link above and watch the videos. So let me get started with today's video. Okay, so as you can see, I am inside the Flipkart seller dashboard. In front of me is a home tab. So you can see all your summary of your orders in a snapshot. So right now it's 0 because of the COVID-19, also known as coronavirus impact. So you can navigate through all the tabs by clicking on them. And if you want a video on how to navigate across Flipkart seller dashboard, I have created a video on it. You can always click on the link above, which is showing in the card, and watch that video. So to list your products in bulk, you need to go to this option, which is listings. So in listing, let me show you my listing first. So as you can see, I have listed around 113 products for the seller. And now let me add new listing. So either I can click here, add new listings, or I can click on this drop down and click this button. So once I click this option, there are two options I got: add a single listing and add listings in bulk. So I always prefer to upload any listing, whether it's a single or a bulk, to go for the second option, because that's the more convenient way to list your products. So let me click add listing in bulk. So once I do that, it shows me a lot of options. So at this point of time, I always say that a seller need to be very clear, or you who is watching the video should need to be very clear which category your product or service belongs. So it's easy for you to navigate across this section then. So let me choose the product which I am about to upload. So before I upload the product, let me show you which product I would like to list today. So let me go to the downloads, and here Drive Style 5. So today I'm going to upload this product, which is this t-shirt. It has 4 images. So I will try to upload this product and make it live today on Flipkart and show it to you guys. So let me go back to the panel, and here I need to find clothing first. And once I choose the clothing, it shows me another option, which is subcategory. So for me it's top wear, because I will be listing casual shirts. So in top wear, I need to go to shirts, and in shirts I need to select a brand, which is DM Club. So I have already registered DM Club as a brand which I'm going to sell on Flipkart seller panel. So let me choose this brand, DM Club, click continue, and here is the Excel file template which is generated. So I need to download it. So just click on it. So once I click on it, you can see there are two options. One is download template, another is upload file. So first of all, at this stage, you need to click download the template. So let me download it. So it's asking me to enable macros. So yes, you need to enable the macros. Okay, the file is opened, the template is open and ready for me to fill the inputs. But before I fill the input, just take you through the template. This is the summary sheet. It's a summary guidelines. You can see in a snapshot. This is the index, which means the index basically give you an idea of the inputs that you need to insert on a particular column. For example, brand fabric, it should be among these options, not different from these options, and likewise. And this is the template which I'm going to show you, and I will fill it up and upload it and make the product live using this particular fields, which are empty right now, but I will fill it up. and these are image guidelines, the fourth template. So it will tell you the type of images you need to insert in this template for Flipkart to verify. So minimum size resolution is 1000 by 1000. So keep this in mind, your images should be 1000 by 1000 pixel. So I'm here in the shirts, so let's start the work right away. So seller SKU ID. So this is the SKU ID, which is also known as stock keeping unit. So what it means, it's a mapping of your product in a particular name or a number format. So let me put the value here. Let's say casual shirt. I think the color is beige or khaki. I will write khaki. And so for me, since I have chosen these shirts, so in the shirts there are three subcategories of the same shirt, which is medium, large and extra large. So I need to make 3 SKUs for these 3 sizes. So let me put medium and same as, let me put large and let me put, so I have inserted medium, large and extra large. So one thing you should be very clear at this point here is that your SKU ID should be unique. It should not match with your previous uploaded IDs or should not be duplicate. If it's duplicate, the Flipkart automated system will going to reject it. So make sure all the value that you insert in the seller SKU ID should be unique. Okay, so brand, for me the brand is DM Club. So now I need to drag and drop this here. DM Club is done. And the size, so for size you need to select from the option which Flipkart has given you. Do not insert your own size like writing complete medium or large or extra large in words. So always refer to the index sheet before inserting any value in this column. So for that you need to click here, and in the size column you can see the allowed sizes, which is right here. And in the allowed sizes, let me see the sizes. So you can see the sizes written here, M, S and XL and all the other sizes. So for me, M, L and XL, all the sizes. So what I can do, I can click back here and enter M, L, XL, which are the eligible values to be filled in this column. And then size measurement, again it's a regular. So if it is 36, 37, 38, you can write here as a number, otherwise you can write it as a regular. It's a style. For me, I can write it as DM Club 003. So it can be unique, it can be same, that's up to you. So brand fabric, again click on this link and choose from this column. So this particular shirt that I am uploading is basically cotton. So let me see if there is a cotton blend option is there. Cotton silk, and I think cotton blend should be a right option for this particular shirt. So I will insert it as cotton blend. Reversible, so reversible means you can wear it 2 ways. So this shirt is not reversible at all, so I will put it no. Ideal for, so ideal for men. So let me copy it and paste it here. Men. Use the drag and drop option here. If the drag and drop option is not working, you can definitely copy and paste it. But do not enter any value apart from these values. Otherwise your sheet will be rejected. So next is sleeve. So sleeve is, this one is full sleeve. So I'm filling from the options only. Full sleeves. Full sleeve. Occasion. So what occasion means, the definition is already given here. Occasion refers to the type of event that the product is ideally suited for. So the occasion is casual. So there are party wear, there are formal wear, there are casual wear. So depending upon that, the occasion is decided. So this is casual. So that's how I fill it up. So the next is pattern. Again, pattern I need to check. So there are a lot of pattern given here. Let me zoom in and show you. Yes. So for me, it's little bit of flowery pattern that I had, and I should type it as floral print. Let me check which shirt is mine. So the shirt that I have has small flowers in it. So as per the sellers, I will insert the pattern as a floral print. Copy it, paste it, and this. So now the color I have to choose from this list only. So I cannot input any other color apart from this list. So the color here I choose is khaki. Control C and Control V. It's done. So brand color. So brand color refer to the color or shade of the product as given by the brand. So again, the brand has given me that this shirt is khaki color. So I'm filling it khaki only. Oops. KHAKI. Okay. Pack of is a pack of one. So it's a one shirt per order. So if you are giving 2 shirts or 3 shirts per order or 3 products per order, so write 1, 2 or 3 as per your requirements. Fabric care. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. So this one needs a regular machine wash. So I will copy this one and paste it here. Okay, this is done. Fit type, this one is a slim fit. I think they will have this option here. Yes, they have the option of slim. Okay. Suitable for, it's a western wear. So see how easy it becomes once you know the options you need to fill up. Shirt length. Okay, this one is regular. Okay, the most important part in filling up the Excel is the image URLs. So I cannot just upload the images in this sheet. I need to convert them into a URL and then put those URL into this sheet so that Flipkart is able to fetch those images from those URLs. So how I do it, it's very important. Let me show you. Hey, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you need any assistance or guidance from my end, then you can click on the link above or in the description and I will help you to get started on this platform at a nominal fee. Keep on enjoying the video and let's continue. So for image URLs, you need to go to the website imgur.com and create an account here. I already have an account. Just click on new post and browse the images that you want to upload. So I'm going to upload the images here. So this is the product. I need to copy it and open it. So the image is uploading in the process, and once the image gets uploaded and published, the URL links will be generated, and when the URL links will be generated, you can easily copy those links and put in the Excel. It's a very simple job and it's easily doable. It's uploading right now. Just need to wait for a while. So you can see the product images are uploading and some of them are uploaded successfully. So let us wait for few more seconds here. So meanwhile, if you want to know more about the Marketplace Masterclass, you can always click on the link above, and there's a subscription link to the Marketplace Masterclass email series. So I will send you a email weekly depending upon your requirements, and I will give you tips and tricks to list your products and sell them fast on platforms like Flipkart and Amazon. So the images of the products has been uploaded successfully. I just need to click share in the community. So once you click the post publicly link, there are several links which are generated by this website. So I need to copy the image link which contains the .jpg, and once I copy it, I need to come and paste it. Remove the options. Okay, so that's how easy you can paste the URL link of the product which you are uploading on the website, and just drag and drop it. And similarly, you can upload others URL as well. So let me fill all the other URLs. So I have filled all the URLs which are required for this product, or which I had. So now the next column is pretty important, which is the group ID. So by the term group ID, it means a seller given intention to group products of the same design together. So these M, L and XL are the products of a same design. So I need to use a name which is unique to these particular products. So let me put it casual khaki. So this should be unique for the product with the same design or the same type. So that's how the Flipkart will know that this product belongs to which particular category and which particular SKUs, like a parent-child SKUs that we have in Amazon. Similarly, this is called as parent-child column for Flipkart. So brand fit, I can write it slim fit. Model name not necessary, EAN not necessary. Fashion core, okay, this is a fashion. Season type is SS20. So I'm just filling the value which is related to this products. You can fill the values related to your products, and one thing you can see here, when I try to drag and drop it, it changes the count. So make sure this should be same. So you need to copy cell, otherwise Flipkart will give an error. So this is done. Color type is I think it was a button down. Yes. Hemline, which is straight. So these are all the product features or specifications. So as you can see that by now you should be very clear about the features of your product, otherwise you will face a little difficulty in filling up these columns. So closure is button. Other dimension, okay, this no need to fill it. Other details. So if you want to fill a special feature of the product, you can put it in this other detail column. So for reference, I'm just putting it, this is a handmade product, or this is 100% handmade product, which is more appealing. So similarly, I also have filled the bulk upload listing for Amazon. If you want to check that out, you can always click on the link above and watch that video as well. So next, let's come to sales package. So I can cite it. Package contains single casual shirt. Description. So this is about the product description. So if you have very good enticing description, you can always insert it here. So for me, I'm just writing it, this is a description of a product for reference. So I will edit it later, and this column, which is search keyword, is the most important column of this particular sheet. So this is where the SEO part of Flipkart is done. So if you put the right keywords, there are high chances of the search engine of Flipkart to fetch your products from these keywords which you enter. So let me give you a few for reference. Okay, so I'm writing it as khaki shirt, separate it by a comma. So write it casual shirt, floral printed shirt, and I can write the brand name also, DM Club. So many more you can write it down, so which fits your SEO. So I have inserted it for your reference. Now let me insert the key feature. So let's say key features of the shirts is it slim fit, apple cut, bottom 100% pure cotton, and whatever the key features are, you can definitely put it here. That will get highlighted on the Flipkart PDP page, which is also known as product display page. Okay, video URL. So video URL, I don't have it, otherwise I should have inserted it. Domestic warranty, this is not necessary, this is not necessary. So trend, okay. So trend type I need to choose from here, which is smart shirts. Okay. Pattern print type, it's a floral print. Ornamentation type, so I have buttons here. I think it should have options of buttons here. Yes, button details. Surface styling, it's none. There's no pockets. Secondary color, so again it's similar to the main color is khaki, so I'm going to write that color only here. So I think the khaki is not here, so I will put beige, which is quite similar. Okay, trend type, let me put a sporty essence. This is just for reference, I'm putting it here. Okay, sporty essence. Okay, so yeah, so good news is the Excel sheet is already completed. All the necessary columns have been filled it out, so you can always cross check it before submitting it, and just click the save button here. And once you save it, just go to this particular area which I have left before. So once you upload it, it goes to the quality process, which is this, and once it goes to the quality process, it will goes to the selling info status. And once it goes to selling info status file, there's another file which you need to download and insert the values like your price, what's the price of the product is, how much quantity do you have, and other small details. And once you do it, your listing will get live on Flipkart. So before I show you the product on the website, let me show you the second file which you will get once the QA gets passed. So I already have that file with me, which is quite similar. It asks for the MRP, selling price, and all similar prices like delivery charges. If you're charging any delivery charges, you can enter it here, and other small details, procurement type, and simple details, which is actually self-explanatory. It's pretty much feasible. If you need any help, definitely you can ping me in the comment section or click on the link above, which is a consultation link. So once you visit that consultation link and enter your query, I will reply within 2 to 5 hours to answer your question if you have any query personally to your email ID. So you can always use that consultation link above, which I've already shared. And that's how you do it. And I think I've already covered everything. So let me show you how it looks on the website. So as you can see, this is how this product look on the website. Because of this coronavirus COVID-19, we have put all the products out of stock as of now. So I cannot show you the sizes, but that's how the product is displayed on the website. So you can check the product details which I have written. Everything is filled here. Product description, everything is here. Just that it's currently unavailable because Flipkart is not able to deliver the products at the moment because of COVID. So that's the easy way how you list your products on Flipkart. And there are further steps which is about Flipkart marketing, and for that, if you want to learn about Flipkart marketing, Flipkart advertising, or Amazon advertising, or Amazon bulk upload, you can always subscribe to my channel and watch the videos which I have listed right now in front of my screen. So that's how you do it. If you have any question, please do remember to put in the comment section and I will respond to that. And I see you in the next video with the new content. Till then, have a good day.